In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Registeel in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the Hoenn region unlocked on Cobbleverse. That means you need to defeat the Kanto region, including Champion Blue, and you must defeat the entire Johto region, including Champion Lands. So it is something that you're able to do later on in the Cobbleverse game. But what you could also do to speed up this process is use some commands, and basically the command is /function followed by Cobbleverse, then type in blue_champion defeated. And that is effectively going to defeat the Kanto region for you and then unlock the Johto region. Once you have the Johto region unlocked, you need to type in this command, but instead, make sure to type in lands_champion defeated. And that is going to effectively beat the Johto region for you. And then after you beat the Johto region, then you're going to have access to all the Hoenn crafting recipes and all of the Hoenn structures. So now that you have the Hoenn region unlocked, you also need to go ahead and craft this called the Hoenn cartography table. This is definitely going to come in handy and will let you craft the maps that you need to use in order to find these structures. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get this item called the metal relic. Now, in order to get the metal relic, you're going to need to go ahead and find this, the steel ore, which you're able to find in the Badlands biome at Y level -60 and 0. And you need to mine it with a diamond pickaxe or above. And once you mine it, then you're going to get the metal relic. And you're going to need the metal relic in order to spawn in Registeel. And on top of that, you're also going to need this item called the Registeel radar in order to actually generate the map that will take you straight to Registeel. So let me go ahead and show you the crafting recipe. So here it is. And this is how the recipe is going to look like. So we're going to need some iron ingots, large black tumblestones, a Poke radar, a steel gem, and a black tumblestone right over here. And this is the crafting recipe of the Poke radar. You're going to need a locator chip, some iron ingots, redstone, etc. So you are going to have to grind a little bit in order to get these items. All right, once you got the radar, you're also going to need an empty map, and now you are good to use a cartography table. You want to place your empty map right here, then take out your Registeel radar, place it in there, and that is going to begin generating you a map that will point you directly to where the nearest Registeel temple is. All right, so here it is, the Registeel map. It's going to let you know which direction is north, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and make your way to Registeel. Now, if you do have commands turned on, what you could also do is you could run a command that will let you know the coordinates to where the nearest one is. And the command is /locate followed by structure, followed by Cobbleverse, then type in legendary, then type in Registeel, press on enter. It's going to let you know where the nearest coordinates are. Then you're able to go ahead and teleport to them. Now, it honestly does vary wildly in terms of how far away it can spawn. Sometimes it's only 2,000 blocks away. Sometimes it's like 20,000 blocks away. So be prepared to go on a big adventure. All right, guys, and here is how the Registeel temple is going to look like. So all you want to do is you want to make your way inside, and then take out your metal relic and right click it on the altar right over here, and that is going to spawn in Registeel, and now you're able to battle him and capture him. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.